Hello everyone, Jeffery Krueger here. What you're looking at are two air compressors. The one on the right is an air compressor that has given me more than 30 years of good service. I would still be using the air compressor today, except the air tank has rusted to a dangerous level. And when they get to that level, they can explode and hurt or kill somebody. So for not much money, I was able to buy this modern air compressor, the one on the left with the little 8-gallon tank. And I was happy when I first got it to fill it up with air and leave it sit for several days, and none of the fittings leaked. It runs very, very quiet, which you'll hear in a moment. And it's going to work out just fine. So right now I'm going to run the air compressor on the right just to show you what noise level that is. And that's pretty much what it sounded like over the years. There's the air escaping. I took the nozzle off the end, and the tank of course leaks. Okay, so now I'm going to run the new air compressor, the one on the left. As you can see, that's very quiet, very nice. I bought a really nice 50-foot rubber hose and several attachments, and I'm looking forward to seeing how many years of good service I can get with this one. So have a happy new year everybody, and thank you for watching.